Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safrin. In today's video, we are creating this stunning pink tone makeup look. So this is a very soft glam makeup look, easy for beginners. So yeah, if you do like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram. And I do have a little bit of cold, so please do cooperate with my voiceover today. That's it, you guys, and I'm so happy that you guys are supporting me so much. Do continue supporting me, and I love you guys so much. Let's get started. First, I'm starting with the Love Earth face toner. This is a very good toner, but it has a heavy fragrance in it. Next, I'm using a minimalist moisturizer. This is a oily skin moisturizer, but they do have moisturizer for other skin types. You guys can pick accordingly. And I'm just applying it on my face. I've given 5 minutes of gap before layering up each product. I'm applying it on my neck area also. That's where we forget to do our skincare. So yeah. Next, I'm using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfecting Primer, applying it on the sides of the nose and forehead area. I'm using this LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn, and for powder, we'll be using Swiss Beauty Translucent Powder. I'm picking the concealer with the help of a blending brush. This is a very high coverage concealer. It is a HD concealer and I'm in the shade Fawn. So this is a beautiful concealer for people who are from a deep dark skin tone like me. Once I'm done with that, now I'm applying the translucent powder. Okay, using the palette Eyes Can Kill from Mars, I've taken a light pink shade as a transition. First, concentrating on the outer V, and I've got the same product in the inner corner as well. Now next up, I'm going to pick a darker pink shade, something like this, applying it only on the outer V area with the help of a small brush. Let's do the same thing on the other side as well. Now you will never get so much of intensity in one go. You definitely have to layer it up at least 3 to 4 times. Next, I'm picking up this brown shade and applying it on the outer V area again to make it a little more dark and intense. That's it, you guys. Next, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Sculpt and Contour palette, picking up the highlighter shade. I'll be using this shade on my eyelids. Starting from the center of the eyeball area, I'm applying it on the inner corner as well. And from the same brush, I'm giving it a proper nice shape. This palette is very reasonable as well as so pigmented. It's definitely very good. All the Swiss Beauty products are stunning, you guys, for affordable budget. Next, I'm doing the same thing on the other side of my eye as well, creating a beautiful shape with the help of the brush. Now once we apply the shimmer, I'm going back to the small blending brush again, picking up the brown shade. I'm merging the shimmer as well as the matte eyeshadow in the outer corner like this. Now I'm using the Inglot gel liner just because I'm out of all the other liners, but you guys can pick any gel liner. I'm just creating a basic eyeliner here. In the inner corner, I like the liner to be very thin and nice. From center of the eyeliner, it is thick and outer corner is again slightly thinner. This gel liner is one of my favorite gel liners because it's so jet black. It's worth every penny of yours, but definitely pick it up during the time of sale. Now once I'm done with this, next I'm going to pick up a black color and a brown color to fill up my eyebrows, mostly using a lot of brown, just a little bit of black. Say I'm dipping my brush 2 times in brown and 1 time in black, if that makes any sense. I'm just outlining my eyebrows first, and then I'm just filling the eyebrows from the center. Anywhere I see a gap, I'm just filling that up really well. And in the inner corner, I'm giving very thin and nice strokes. For kajal, I'm using this white kajal from Miss Claire. Now let's start with the skin. For skin, I'm using the pack orange corrector as usual, and just correcting the areas wherever I have pigmentation and blending that out. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to use my Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. You guys remember, right? Last time when I used this foundation, it was such a disaster because I'll just link the video, you guys can see why it was a disaster. So I'll just put it on the I button, you guys can check it out. Now I'm using a flat brush and applying the foundation all over my face. Using my kabuki brush, I'm just going to blend this out really well now. So talking about the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation, this foundation is very nice, gives you medium coverage, perfect for people who have oily skin. When I was applying this foundation, I felt that the foundation is a little thicker and is beautiful for oily skin. Now for concealer, I'm using the same concealer in the shade Fawn and applying it on my forehead, under eyes area, and blending it out really well with the help of the same kabuki brush. And this concealer is very high coverage, very beautiful for all skin types, and it's just stunning, you guys. Now I'm picking the same palette and picking up that contour. I'm just going to contour the lowest point of my cheekbone. If you want to watch a full-fledged video how to contour, blush, highlight, I'll put that in the description below so you guys can see the video. Now I'm applying the contour on my forehead area as well as my jawline. Okay, so once I'm done with this, now I'm just going to contour my nose as well, but for that we need a smaller brush. So I'm picking up a small blending brush and contouring my nose as well, like so. Now I know during the festival you will not have so much of time to do, you know, contour and all of that, but then you guys can pick whatever you feel and create this look. Applying the highlighter, this is so pigmented, the highlight is very pigmented. So for blush, I'm using this blush from Benefit. This blush was in my vanity for a very long time, so I'm not a great fan of this blush, but yes, it definitely gives you a beautiful natural effect on the skin. For lipstick, I'm using the Sugar Pop lipstick in the shade Flamingo and just applying that on my lip. This is a stunning lipstick, very affordable, and I love this range of Sugar Pop. For mascara, I'm using the mascara from Swiss Beauty and then just applying 2 coats of my mascara on my lashes. I'm also coming up with one more Raksha Bandhan video which is very simple and very quick to do. You guys can watch the video on my Instagram. Again, we'll put the link in the description. So yeah, once I'm done with all of this, let's start setting the face with Swiss Beauty translucent powder. I'm baking my under eyes, only under eyes, and I'll just set the rest of my face with the powder directly. Now I've used the Swiss Beauty powder in so many videos, so you guys know that it is an amazing powder in budget. After keeping the powder for 2 minutes under my eyes, I'm just dusting off all the excess powder. Now baking always gives you a beautiful smooth finish under your eyes and does not make your concealer move. Now that completes my final look. Do let me know how you guys enjoyed this look. And that's it, you guys. If you do enjoy my video, do not forget to subscribe, follow me on my Instagram, and I'm coming up with more such videos. Take care, guys. Bye bye.